Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video where we will start learning artificial intelligence from the basics. My aim is to make your concepts clear step by step so that even difficult topics feel easy. So let's begin our journey into the world of AI. So first of all, what is AI? Guys, have you ever wondered how Alexa understands you or how self-driving cars work? That's the magic of AI. AI consists of two words, artificial and intelligence. So let me explain in very brief to you guys what these words actually mean. So artificial means anything man-made that did not existed eventually, but we humans have created it. Now what is intelligence? Intelligence means applying knowledge. Human feed knowledge to robots or computers, which the robots apply to solve any problem. Now, what is knowledge? Guys, knowledge is the information that we collect by our surrounding. Like a child, observe its surrounding and slowly comes to know who his parents are. Similarly, AI module is trained with data. We will dive into that later, but first, let's be familiar with artificial intelligence first. Artificial intelligence is the science of making machines think, learn, and solve problems like humans. Guys, it's not a magic, it's logic, math, and data working together to mimic intelligent behavior. Imagine there's a random object in front of you. It knows nothing. You teach the object how to speak, how to talk, how to behave in society, and it replicates the similar actions that you have taught. That is how you apply your knowledge. So, before moving forward, I want to lay some stress on the word intelligence. Guys, what do you think of the word intelligence? Intelligence is not just that you know something and you tell it to everyone, like a small child learns a poem or a story and then tell it to its relatives. No. By intelligence, I mean if you have a new problem, a new kind of problem is there in front of you. What are your approaches to solve that? How would you think to solve the problem in the minimum possible steps? That's where a new term, logic building, comes in. No need to panic at all. Logic is just the science of correct thinking. Let me explain it by a very simple example. Suppose it's Sunday and you are chilling at home, relaxing, and by chance there is no one at your home, and you are watching your favorite cartoon serial, or you are watching a movie, and suddenly a random guest arrives. So, the first thing you do, you welcome them, you make them sit, offer them water. This is what logic building. You started thinking in your mind, okay, the guests are at the doorstep. What do I do? The first step, I make them sit and make them comfortable. What's the next step I'm going to plan? I will ask them for water. This is what logic building. See how simple it was, but the term was seeming to be very much difficult. In artificial intelligence, the terms are seeming to be very difficult, but believe me, these are really very easy if you connect them with real life situations. So, now let me give you a real life example of artificial intelligence. What is the most thing you use nowadays as the best tool for your studies and more further helps? Yeah, ChatGPT, am I right? So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT has got a set of instructions, data from the modulators who have designed the app, and whenever you search something on ChatGPT, it checks for the information present on the server and provides the relevant information to you. Another example is Alexa. Alexa is very trending nowadays. You are just sitting on your sofa relaxing and you just say, Alexa, play my favorite music. Alexa, please turn on the TV. Please turn on the fan. So how all these work? These all works by artificial intelligence only. So now, what are the fields of AI? Machine learning. In machine learning, we give the machine data through which it learns by itself on. Want to know how? Just think that you got a new dog and you are training it. You are giving it some treats whenever it does a task that you want it to complete it. Similarly, we train a machine. That's machine learning. Natural language processor. Natural language processor is through which the system understands our language. It's like teaching English to a robot. The next is computer. Computer vision is very necessary. It helps the computer understand images and video. You might have seen Google Lens. You upload a photo on Google Lens and it gives you relevant answers. So how does it do it? We will talk about it in next lectures. Today I am just giving a brief introduction. The next branch is robotics, in which we talk about physical movement and controls. And the last and the foremost important is the expert systems, in which artificial intelligence is provided with higher knowledge, which are only subject or domain related. For example, a doctor's knowledge, an engineer, a law system. So you might be thinking, why should we learn AI? See, guys, AI is everywhere around us, from Google Maps and YouTube recommendations to chatbots like ChatGPT and even the self-driving cars. By learning AI, we can understand the technology that is shaping the future. Learning about AI is like learning how to create the future. Imagine teaching computers to think, solve problems, and even help humans in daily life. That's the power of AI, and that's why it's worth learning. So today we understood what AI is and why it's important. In the next videos, we will go deeper into basics and I will explain every concept in simpler words so you never feel confused. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out.